Whether it's your passion or your profession, we recognize it's your purpose. Our purpose is equipping you to do yours better. For peak performance in the line of duty, Streamlight's weapon-mounted lighting systems have no equal. No other name delivers more confidence on the range or peace of mind in the field. Each shines brighter and lasts longer while staying securely mounted to your weapon when it matters most. For nearly 50 years, we've stood shoulder to shoulder with recreational shooters and law enforcement professionals, so we can produce lighting solutions that are simply second to none. When you need to engage at a distance, Streamlight has you covered with a wide range of long gun rail mount lights. The TLR1 HL long gun kit with remote, ProTac rail mount HLX and HLX with laser offer you multiple distance, brightness, and aiming options no matter what your situation demands. For your handgun, the small but mighty TLR7 takes this performance to the next level. It features 500 lumens, a low-profile design, and a safe-off feature to prevent accidental activation. Whether it's night or day, the TLR8G delivers. It produces an ultra-bright beam that's ideal for low-light situations, while its green laser ensures a clean shot even during the brightest day. The TLR VIR2 features a white LED and a combo infrared illuminator IR laser. With its seamless design, you can easily switch from white light to infrared, all while keeping your eyes on the target or the threat. When the situation is at its darkest, you now have options to use the dark to your advantage without being seen. If danger escalates and you need to elevate your command of the situation, the TL Racker is ready. Producing high-intensity white light, the TL Racker is the ultimate all-in-one shotgun four-end light. It features a super tough ergonomic design so you confidently protect the innocent or defend your home and loved ones. For staying on target, for neutralizing the threat, our purpose is always the same: improving your performance. Because since 1973, one name has stood for the ultimate in lighting systems: Streamlight. Presenting the Vantage 180X by Streamlight. It's a helmet light. It's a handheld. It's a right-angle light. The Vantage 180X has a large push-button switch for easy one-handed operation, even with gloves. Powered by two lithium 123As or Streamlight's 18650 USB rechargeable battery, this multi-fuel light produces a super bright 250 lumen spot beam and an ultra-bright blue tail light. With powerful lights in front and back, it's designed to let you see and be seen in heavy smoke. It's the perfect addition to the Streamlight family of lighting tools for firefighters. With an innovative articulating head, the Vantage 180X is not like other helmet lights. Simply adjust the head to aim the beam wherever you want it to be. When you need a handheld, no problem. The Vantage 180X can quickly be removed, no tools necessary. So you can use it for searching, marking an exit, or during overhaul operations. The Vantage 180X also doubles as a right-angle light. Just clip it to your turnout coat. When you adjust the head to 90 degrees, the taillight switches from a blue to a white downcast flood, so you can see what's in front of you and at your feet. If that's not enough, the Vantage 180X is also one tough light. Constructed of high-impact nylon polymer, it's chemical resistant and virtually indestructible. The Vantage 180X by Streamlight. Wear it, hold it, clip it, see it. Just don't forget to bring it.
This is the Gerber Gator Kukri. It's housed in a durable nylon sheath. The reverse has D-loops and a belt loop for easy carry options. It's based off a traditional Southeast Asian blade shape that has a tip for poking and stabbing, a thicker middle section for chopping, and a thin area by the handle for whittling and carving. It has a full tang design, ergonomic Gator grip handle for secure hold in all weather conditions, and a lanyard that keeps it close by. This is the Gerber Gator Kukri.
AltaCONTOUR, knee protection that bends like you bend. Backed by 35 years of innovative design and development, these pads are built for a wide range of industrial, tactical, and sports applications. AltaCONTOUR's biometric design permits a greater range of motion, provides a more comfortable fit, and with its unique sectional foam construction, gives you exceptional flexibility. AltaCONTOUR pads are constructed with a durable Cordura nylon cover, neoprene foam padding, and a tricot liner that wicks away moisture. A soft rubber skid-resistant cap secured with 6 metal grommets provides excellent protection. AltaCONTOUR pads use the original ALTA lock easy on-off fastening system with wide-set dual straps to eliminate bunching and discomfort behind the knee. A non-slip rubber strip on the back holds the knee pad comfortably in place, and the exclusive ALTA strap keeper secures loose ends. AltaCONTOUR knee pads are super adjustable to fit just about anyone. Sports enthusiasts, industrial pros, military, and law enforcement personnel all rely on ALTA products for durability, quality, and maximum comfort every day. AltaCONTOUR knee protection from ALTA, made in North America with USA materials. ALTA's experienced customer service team is ready to outfit you with the right knee protection, whatever your game, job, or mission may be.
The fact that it takes 2 AA batteries makes it one of the longest running flashlights that provides 4 different output colors and 4 different modes of light. My light comes on low right out of the box, but I can ramp it up to a high mode. There's 4 levels of intensity. That's perfect for 2 reasons. One, I don't want to be shining all my light out as soon as I turn it on the box. There's a security reason to that. I want the lowest amount of light coming on when I'm doing my movement in the field, especially when a setting where white light is prohibited, such as a battlefield. The other reason is power management. Because I'm only draining 10% of my battery when it comes on, that means more power I'll have stored for later applications. The Sidewinder Rescue is waterproof, meeting both IPX7 rating and exceeding the mil standard 810G for waterproofness. The Sidewinder Rescue is also tested for radio frequency, meaning it won't inadvertently be turned on when using your standard military or commercial communication devices. The Sidewinder Rescue also gives the user peace of mind knowing that each wavelength of the color is what it says it does, meaning that my infrared can emit at 850 nanometers, meaning that my blue is at a wavelength that can pick up and determine between water or sweat or blood on a patient It also means that my white light is truly 55 lumens of white light when in its highest mode. Again, the intent of the Sidewinder Rescue was to give you 3 lights in a single platform that operates off commercial batteries, in this case AA's, and providing you with multiple levels of intensity and various colors of output: white, green, infrared, and blue. All in a platform that provides 185 degrees of articulation and both line of sight, directional line of sight, color pointing, or omnidirectional when using the diffuser, the slide and lock in place diffuser.